Texas is not short of culture and history, so it's not surprising that its people honor traditions generation after generation. In the crux of Central Texas, festivals like Luling's Watermelon Thump and Yorktown's Western Days celebrate the commerce and industries that allowed their towns to grow respectively. Nestled amongst such small towns is the turkey town of Cuero.
It started when I got involved with the festival itself. We didn't really have a good person we didn't have anyone that was raising them every year, and since we have to have one to race, it was hard to gather one each year, go and find one in the wild and that kind of thing. So at the time you could get the breed that we use from licensed hatcheries. So I started a little flock of my own that was not necessarily domestic, but kept